welcome back to the channel. We're playing high stakes Lightning Link. Wish me luck, and let's get started. Okay, we need 6 balls, 6 of these checkers, or we need 3 of the suitcases for the free games. Let's do it. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our video, smash those thumbs up, and we're approaching right now the 1,000 subscriber mark, and we're going to be doing a giveaway. Oh, we needed 1 more suitcase. So remember, watch our videos, subscribe and watch our videos, smash those thumbs up, and you'll be entered into our drawing. Very soon we're going to be doing a giveaway. We're coming up to the 1,000 mark. I think this machine will give us something good. Come on, 3 more. Let's get something epic. That'll be nice. The major is a 519.74. The minor is at 50. And the mini is at 10. The grand is at 16,141.90. That would be nice. Win the grand. It'll come one day. Okay. Come on, here's something good. That would be nice. We need 6 of the chips. 6 chips will get us the bonus round. And 3 suitcases will get us the free games. Let me do 1 fast spin. And 1 more. Okay. Hopefully we'll get something good. Let me try some nickel denomination, $1.25. See what happens. The mini is at 50, the minor is at 250. Come on. Do a 6 chips with a mini, minor, major. That would be awesome. Didn't see other. We had a 5-cent denomination. We had a triple minor. 3. Add another 20. Let's add another 20. See how we do now.
I'm gonna take my pee one. I'll be right back.
3, 2. There we go. We got the mini for 50. We got some nice numbers. Let's get the minor, major. Smash those thumbs up. Come on. Subscribe, smash those thumbs up. Be entered to our giveaway. Come on, stick it. There we go. Come on, little rings. I'll take another mini. That's fine. Okay. Come on, minor, major. Another mini. Good. Let's get the minor now, or another mini. Those 2 mini. Each mini is $50. Alright, let's fill it up with the grand, 16,000. That'll be nice. This will be epic there. Ooh, we need 2 more. Come on, we can do it. I see it showing right there. Come on, 1 time, get the grand. To the right, to the right. Come on, stick it, save it. There we go. We need 1 more for the grand. Come on, we can do it. Let's do it. Stick it. Come on, just 1 more, 1 time. Never got it before. Smash those thumbs up. This is epic. Like and subscribe to our videos. You'll be into our giveaway. Okay, that's what we want. $1.25 base. Not bad, $156.25. Smash those thumbs up. This is epic. Alright, let's do it back to back. Come on. Want two more. Those are nice numbers too. Come on. One fast spin. We need three more. Okay. Come on. Be nice, machine. Go back to the 50 cents. Maybe it'll give us a 50 cents to balls. We're back to the mini at $10. Minor is $50. Two more. Smash those thumbs up. This is epic. Please like and subscribe. And you'll be into our drawing. Smash those thumbs up. Our drawing is coming up very soon. You'll be entered. Let's get the suitcase. Let's try that. Come on, machine. Be nice. Come on. Three chips. Or one more suitcase we needed. One fast spin and one more. Okay. Come on, one more suitcase. Almost. $1.60. Fun and play with. Come on, machine. How much is that? 55 cents. Big win, huh? These 6 chips. Come on, machine. Be nice. Three. 4. Wow. 3. Come on, machine, be nice to us. Don't forget, like, subscribe to our channel, smash those thumbs up. We're approaching our 1,000 subscribers. We're going to be doing a giveaway. So subscribe to our channel, watch our videos. You might be the lucky winner. Come on, see. Look at those blockers right there, see? Almost there we go. They got the pregame. Get the major. That'll be nice. Or the minor. Or the mini. Anything. Come on. Chip. We want to see a chip here. Come on. Chip. Keeps giving us jacks. Chip. Chip. Okay, we got 3 games. 3 more games. Smash those thumbs up. Please like and subscribe to the video. And you'll be into our drawing. Chip. Card. We got the card. Okay. We're at $4.95 now. Come on, chip. Oh, the chip went by. Chip or wild? Wild. If that jack was up there, it would be a line hit. Okay, we got 3 more games going. $12 now. Chip. Needed that wild on top there. $13.25. Chip. chip, chip. There we go. Got the chip. Get the mini, minor, major. Or just fill it up with the grand. That'd be nice. 16,000. Smack it. Smack it. Come on. Any letterings. Letterings. Come on. Smack. Smack. Smack it. Come on. Come on, something. $5. This is the last game. $18.25 with 50 cents. Keep on playing. One fast spin. Come on. Blockers came in. One more. Need one more suitcase. Get the big game again. I think we'll get it again. Okay, it's a little something. $3.55, something to play with. Okay, one more suitcase. Come on, one short. Day late and $1 short, right? Once again, don't forget, subscribe to our videos, like our videos, watch them. And we're going to be doing a giveaway soon. We're approaching our 1,000 subscriber mark. So smash those thumbs up, give us a like. That helps us really out. We really appreciate you guys. Come on. We're playing at the Red Hawk Casino Resort. Not a bad place. Come on, let's get another bonus. Be nice. Okay. Here's the major. That'll be nice. One fast spin. Oh, needed one more. Suitcase. There. I think it was going to give us something. Come on, machine. That's $1,010. Come on, one more suitcase. Oh, it just went right past us. I thought it was gonna hit right there. One fast spin. Come on, chips. Give us the chips. With the major. That would be beautiful, huh? It's coming. Like we call it, baby's coming. Don't forget, like, subscribe to our videos, smash those thumbs up. We're coming up to approach our 1,000 subscribers. We're going to be doing a giveaway. You can be the next winner. Doesn't cost anything. It's for free to subscribe. Oh, there goes the minor. We needed 3 more. $50 minor. One more suitcase. Come on, suitcase. One fast spin. Sometimes fast spins work. Come on, machine. Come on. Hit it. Oh, look at that. $25. That's pretty nice. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and smash those thumbs up. We'll be doing a drawing soon because we're approaching the 1,000 subscriber mark. And we'll be back soon. Thank you for watching.